Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then right here is the main coolant reservoir that you'd add to. Make sure your vehicle's turned off and cool down before you work with the system, just since this works under pressure and this liquid can get to a boil, so you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. But if you need to add, double check also your owner's manual or good online source that you're using the best particular type of coolant for your make and model. But when you're ready to add, you just unscrew this top, and then you'll fill as needed till you're around this full mark. You don't want it completely full, there is supposed to be some air gap. Once you've got it around there, screw this back on nice and tight. And then at this point, I would probably start the vehicle and run it for a few minutes. See, as the coolant runs through the system, double check around your engine bay and through your lines, the radiator, see if there's any coolant you see puddling, even under the vehicle, just to make sure there's no leaks or cracks that you need to address. And a way to tell that apart, let's say water condensation forming, is the liquid should have a slight coloration to it. It should smell slightly sweet, and you don't really want it on your skin, but see you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.